All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's going on, YouTube? It's Brick Got Keys back with another video. You feel me? I don't know if y'all know or not, but in the Wrap in My Car video, I showed y'all that I got a stock intake. But y'all see what's behind me, you feel me? That JLT Performance. Now we're gonna see if this the loudest intake. So I got the stock intake. I'm gonna show y'all some clips of the wine real quick. Let me go ahead and put it in sport. I ain't gonna put it in track and go too crazy. Y'all see it's rain and snowy, yo. The stock intake don't really whine for real. I had a leg maker before I put the stock intake back on here. I wanted to change up and see if it's a difference in the intakes, you know. The stock intake don't whine. It barely whine. I don't know if y'all can hear how good it's whining on the camera or not, but I'm gonna get back with y'all when we can get some more pulls. Look at he trying to race me. He know I'm not gonna catch no traction. Oh yeah, I still won, nigga. I'm a sore loser, nigga. What up? What up? What up? Had to fill my tank up, you feel me? Now we back in action, you feel me? Oh, we still in spurt mode. Let's get right, let's get right. Let's see if we can get a pull out of here. I ain't gonna go too crazy because we had a turn, you know. Turn this video to a cutting up in the trenches. We finna get a pull off the light. Oh my God, it had to be a car pulling out in front of me. All right, let's get out of traffic so we can get some. Pulling up the buffets, y'all. We about to go ahead and install the intake, you feel me? We got a whole gang here. We finna see all finna help me install the intake. Damn, what the fuck going on here? All right, y'all, so we got the intake in buffets, you feel me? I'm not sponsored by that company, so I'm not telling y'all anything about it. I'm gonna just let y'all know my opinion of how the wine is. All right. You know, we strong, so we don't have knives and shit to cut the box open.
This nigga got a flathead screwdriver.
Oh, fuck. This is the shaker. This is the JLT.
Damn, that's a big ass box.
Yeah.
It's girthy.
What? Big ass box.
What?
Said all that's loose to a BMW.
Nah, that's crazy.
What do you say?
He said all that to lose to a BMW.
Man, you crazy. This cat. Oh! Bro, look how fat the intake is.
God damn.
This is big as hell. Damn.
Damn.
Stop, read. We don't read instructions over here.
Cause we're
We
black.
might read it after the check engine light come on.
Yeah, we're black. Black people don't read instructions.
We read instructions when it's cool.
Yeah, black people don't read instructions, man.
Nah, it's a lot more stuff than what I think than what I thought it was. Like, I don't know what all this extra shit is.
Yeah, this
right
is
here.
what the fuck. They got a whole boot and shit. I believe this go like at the bottom.
This is a lot more extra stuff than what I thought. This might be a Matty install right here. All right, so let me get this together real quick. We gonna get it together and take the other intake off, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. We done got the intake out. You feel me? I loosened everything already. So, you feel me? I made it look easy, but it ain't really that easy though. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this part in there. I think we got everything ready to go in there. Damn.
That bitch is huge.
This bitch is huge. I don't even know how to fuck.
This It's gonna fit though, right? It should.
It's the same as the charger. It's on there. You stick in this through there. Feel me?
Damn, that's a big ass piece.
Man.
I think you're missing something.
No, that's to the intake. The actual intake itself. Should I put that in there before I do this?
Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna just put this
No. Put this in there first.
Yeah.
She turn me on.
I'm about to do it. We singing copyright in my
There we go. That's better. No more copyright. Give me my money.
Give me money.
Give me money.
Give me money. Yes. We got it on. Alright, so now we just gotta stick the intake with it.
Right.
Stick the intake in the hole. Stick it in a big black hole. Big black hole. A big black gaping hole.
Bruh.
So put this in there first place. Alright, now that's in there.
It's all about that fitment.
Man, it's really not intended for these cars. So
It's not?
you gotta work with it. Nah. Cause you gotta mind you, this is a charger. So it's designed to fit a charger, not a 300. So I'm gonna tighten this.
We're gonna come back when we tighten some shit up.
That's what I'm saying. This bitch is huge.
How you feeling? I like the orange. Appreciate it. I've been trying.
I'm trying to see how do I do this part
This
though.
great. I like this part right here. I need this. What you have before those?
A lake maker.
Bro, look at this intake.
Oh my goodness. Did you get Dada some food? Did you get Dada some food?
No, my dad don't treat me good. My dad used to beat me.
I be whooping
Look,
his,
I got CPS. I got whipped from my
his booty crack. Did you get Daddy some food?
Boy, you ain't say get you.
Did you get Dada some food? Man, fuck y'all.
That shit was sweet as hell.
That bitch thick as fuck.
Like your ass.
Bruh. No. Freak bitches room full of freak hoes. You know what I think about this whip?
Damn, it ain't even come out.
Which one? You on this shit?
Bro, I'm lost.
Happy?
That don't serve a purpose, bro.
This bitch not about to wine louder than mine.
Yes, it is.
What those type of purpose?
That don't look crazy.
Oh, you got the hose.
Look at the
You gotta
size of
cut
my
this.
hand.
Y'all not gonna be able to get this hose off. You gotta cut this right here. And then cut this hose on top of it. No, nigga, it's not gonna come off.
Oh,
It's not gonna come off. Bro, what's up, bro? Get off my ass crack. That's why they gave you this hose.
I know, I'm about to pull it up in here.
give me some butt. I'll settle for some butt.
You're not cutting it.
Look, I cut it off the other side. With this.
What is you doing?
He got it off.
What is you doing?
What?
Look, what's up right there? This how my B Woody intake was. You gotta cut right here. Like cut where the hose at.
You guys want Bubba Sam to take care of this?
Yes.
You're not gonna be able to get this off. I'm telling you right now.
So what you do is you grab a razor blade,
And there you go.
slice,
Yeah.
and you heat.
Yeah.
It expands because it's plastic. You slide off.
Yeah.
Nothing with cars should ever be hard if you're doing it the right way.
And then it slide on there. Like you're not
I'm
using
tight.
this hose somewhere.
Okay.
Glasses always smart.
Yeah.
The guy with glass, this nigga on a
I
whole
bet he got a
car
degree
shop.
at Harvard.
Teach me something, Sam. Oh, you gotta lube it up.
Make sure you come back and put this cap on this oil, please.
Alright.
So, hey, for anyone ever installing their cold air intakes at home, this is a trick that's very overlooked.
Uh-huh.
You got a little bit of dab of oil, you just rub it on what needs to slide in.
Oh my God, I swear I used to have a hard ass time doing that.
The sensor?
Now how easy was
Bro, that
that?
shit went right in.
How easy was that?
I'll be mad as hell so I put that in.
Make sure you put that cap. No, but it's so smooth. It goes so smoothly in.
Perfect size butt plug.
What do you mean by that?
You try to, you feel me? Do that without no moisture.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
It's not gonna work.
Ugly as fuck. See how easy that was?
Yes.
See how easy that was?
Yeah.
Remember, guys, nothing with cars should ever be hard.
Look how much oil in here. I need a catch can.
Check this out. Boom.
Lube it up. Yes.
Put a little oil around it. And then shove it in the hole.
Can you do that to mine?
Oh, yeah. I could lube you up.
Gay.
Who the fuck did... Oh, that's gay. Look, check that out. Check that out.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Let's play with it.
Hood, back wall. Key?
Slip that thing in.
Oh my gosh, she went on.
Oh, I forgot the, was I supposed to put hose clamps on there?
My friend.
Yeah, it's supposed to have hose clamps right here.
But she's lubed up, so she'll slide off easy.
Yeah, she'll go. You need me to oil that thing?
Stroke that thing, cuz
I feel like,
Shit went
you know,
viral, that nigga. Stroke that thing, cuz.
hey, you guys know how Bob Ross, whenever he installs, like, whenever he paint, you guys know who Bob Ross is, right?
Nigga with that fro.
And I ain't gonna lie, the oil got that bitch in.
It's right there, nigga. Shut up. Pick it up, bro.
That bitch big as hell, girthy as hell. Look
That
like
bitch
my
is
cock.
crazy.
Your cock is not that big.
You know it.
Nigga, I gave you the key. Hold on, Sam on the phone. Sam on the phone.
We don't want her to bite us. Alright, shut up. Start that bitch. Start that bitch.
Nigga, what the hell are you doing?
JLT intake.
Nigga, coaster. Nigga.
That bitch sucking. Sport mode. This the first drive, you feel me? I'm gonna do what I normally do to make my car run. This bitch slow, listen. This bitch slow, listen. This bitch slow, listen. You hear that shit? God damn, that's all fucking wine. Oh my god. This bitch wine loud as hell. This is different tone than a leg maker. This got a more high pitched tone. Let me see this shit. Let me see my phone. Your phone? Alright y'all, this is my first time driving on a freeway with the intake. I really can't go too crazy because the ground is wet, but I'm gonna give y'all like a little like throttle and I'm not gonna go crazy. That's very, very little throttle. I don't know if y'all can, how good y'all can hear the whine or whatnot. But when I get it straight away, I'm gonna do some downshifts and hit it a little bit. That's RT. Sport. I ain't gonna lie, the JLT and Leg Maker got two different sounds. I feel like the Leg Maker, like, it echoes more, but this intake is louder in a way. But I can't really get on it because of the weather. I ain't gonna lie, I like this one better. And this one is more performance oriented. So this one is going to give you more power than the leg maker intake, because the leg maker intake don't have that shield around the filter. What you say?
Well, I gotta be in the car.
Because you got to be in the car. The fuck?
But I'm recording.
So what? All right, y'all. So I don't know if y'all know this or not, but the last video, I straight piped my car, but I'm still going to show y'all the intake clips. You feel me? Can you just give them a drive-by? I cleaned my car. I got it looking very beautiful. You feel me? Oh, you want me to do it? All right, come on, record for me. We got 2 SSJ finna record for me.
You feel me? His favorite and only camera woman, because I'm a real street nigga. Ah, boy, fuck you. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Camera women, my ass cheeks. That bitch is loud. Look at this dude.
So I can hear it from the outside?
No.
And actually hit that shit. I want to hear it. Huh? So we just left from the warehouse and a nigga did a burnout right here. What the fuck? Man, I came out and I seen this shit and I was like, damn, this bitch smoking? This bitch smoking? It smell like all tires. This bitch smoking? But let me get y'all a pool with the cats cut. Well, I don't know if I should do that. They made it hot. Do y'all notice the difference from when my cats was cut versus when they not cut in the leg maker versus the JLT? Oh my god. This bitch sound crazy. This bitch smoking? And that's in regular mode. That ain't even track or nothing. Why is this bitch so loud? But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see done to my car next. I know my hands real ashy. Don't get on my ass. But what the hell is you over there talking about? I think the next video is gonna be jail. Guys, tell me why my phone died on y'all. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. I don't know where the fuck I left off at.
I think I was talking shit or making fun of you.
Yeah.
I don't know. They probably missed all of it.
I don't know if y'all got to see the pools or whatever, but I fucked up. I let my phone die, and I'm unprepared. So next time I'm gonna be prepared for y'all.
Be
Okay?
careful, because mine's gonna die.
Okay. We see y'all next video.